This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google account is signed in. Open your browser and check the account avatar. Once signed in, make sure browser updates are applied so features load correctly. If you manage multiple accounts, select the channel account up front to avoid redirects. Finally, enable cookies and allow site scripts for Studio to function. These settings matter because Studio loads dynamic data and blocked scripts cause blank pages or missing menus. In the address bar or from YouTube, choose YouTube Studio to begin. You want the channel-specific dashboard to appear. Once the dashboard loads, confirm the left menu shows content, analytics, and monetization. Those confirm correct access. If you have channel permissions, switch channels using the avatar menu. Make sure browser extensions aren't altering the page. Disable ones that change content and reload until widgets populate, so you can. Once the Studio interface is fully visible, confirm your channel settings, upload a small test video, or open analytics to ensure access is complete. If you encounter errors, clear browser cache and cookies, then try an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. If that fails, sign out and back in or use another browser. These steps fix most account or caching issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check your account role and Google service status before assuming local causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.